It's not a looker, I will give it that, but it is definitely going to be a taster. Hey y'all, I am making cranberry fluff salad because if you ask me, there is not a Thanksgiving in the South that is complete without a retro fluff salad or a Jell-O mold, or better yet, both. So in honor of all of the Thanksgivings and Christmases past, I am going to make a traditional fluff salad recipe that you definitely want to add to your table this year. Really, it's super easy and honestly so tasty. It is not cranberry sauce, so it's not like a jelly-like consistency. It incorporates whipped cream and marshmallows and cream cheese so that the fruit of the cranberries gets mixed all up in there, and it is so good and really like fluffy in your mouth, hence the name Cranberry Fluff. The very first step is obtaining your cranberries. Here we are with our food processor, and I have 12 ounces of fresh cranberries. You can also use frozen for this recipe, but definitely thaw them before you use them. And we're going to pulse it about 6 to 8 times until most of them are pretty well chopped, but there are some pieces that remain. Okay, and that is really it. This is what your cranberry mixture should look like. Piecey, but mostly chopped. And then you are going to add all of your chopped cranberries from your food processor to a large bowl with 3 cups of mini marshmallows and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. Give that a really good toss with a rubber spatula, and then cover it in plastic wrap, and then we're going to chill it in the fridge for at least 4 hours, or you could do this the day ahead, so you could do it up to overnight, so about 12 hours. Okay, so here we are. It's been 4 hours. The marshmallows are like super fluffy. Oh, I cannot wait to mix in the rest of the ingredients with this. So the next step is really easy. It's just stirring a bunch of things in after you beat them in the mixer. So we need to make whipped cream, and we need to soften cream cheese, which has been sitting at room temperature, so it's already room temperature, but we're going to beat it in the mixer until it's not lumpy, and this will also help the softening process. Then we'll add in some super cold heavy whipping cream, about 1 cup of that, and beat that almost until soft peaks form. Then add in another cup and keep beating it until stiff peaks form, and then we're going to fold that into our marshmallow cranberry mixture with some chopped pecans and some halved seedless red grapes and some salt, because salt makes everything taste better. It's a flavor enhancer, so it brings out the natural flavors in what you are doing. So it makes the cranberries more tart, but also sweeter, the marshmallow sweeter. It just makes everything taste better. It's not a looker, I will give it that, but it is definitely going to be a taster. So I'm going to put this into a serving bowl and start eating it because I'm so excited about this cranberry fluff salad. Look at it. Fluffy cranberry goodness. Let's dig in. It's fluffy, it's sweet, fruity, tangy, the crunch of the pecans and the like burst of the grapes. Exactly what you want in a fluff salad. If you liked this super short and sweet video, be sure to let me know in the comments. If you're watching on YouTube, click the bell so you never miss an episode of Hey Y'all. Like, share, subscribe. If you have a favorite retro fluff salad recipe that is always on your Thanksgiving table, I would love to read about it in the comments. If you try this, take a picture and tag me on Instagram at @IvyOdom and at Southern Living Mag. We love to see when y'all recreate what we do on Hey Y'all in your real life.